Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rise and Dine. Today, we are at Court Cafe. Wait till you see these waffles. Oh my gosh.
Here we are, Court Cafe. My first impressions. The music is loud, hopefully not too loud, but we're going to get copyright strike. But they got TVs going all over, black walls. It is right by UNLV. So I would imagine you got students coming here, but it is, what time? It's 10 o'clock on a Thursday, and it is packed. And it's in a great location on Flamingo. So you come down it's east of the Strip, but you got plenty of restaurants and hotels. You got the Tuscany on one side, and you got, I think, a Westin on the other, and you got Mint, and you got the original Lotus of Siam. So there are a lot of things going on here. And this place is in a little strip mall, and it is crowded. So the menu looks amazing. I am waiting for my brain to tell me what to order. All right. Okay, so drinking this first sip here. All right, that's pretty darn good. Pretty darn good.
It's okay. It's okay. It's drinkable. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. It'll do. So here's menu. It's pretty nice, and there's more. So the usual breakfast and brunch kind of lunchy things. So everything on the menu is available from open to close, not specific breakfast lunch hours. And everything on here leans New Orleans. It's a lot of grits, etouffee sauce. They make everything fresh, the waitress said, in-house. They're evidently known for their chicken sausage that they make in-house, and that sounds pretty awesome. So I think, as usual, we might get a savory and get a sweet and see how that goes, because there's some stuff here that looks awesome. I'm leaning on the sweet potato waffle. That sounds pretty neat. But there's others. They have a lot of versions of they must do a great peach cobbler, because there's a peach cobbler French toast, a waffle, and pancakes. So all with their, and they have peach cobbler oatmeal. And that's kind of interesting. But all right, let's see what we get.
Okay, so I got the shrimp and grits. These are pan-fried shrimp. They look succulent and delicious. But first, taste these cheesy, delicious grits. Ooh. You know, as a New Yorker, I don't know what grits are. You know, like my cousin Vinny, what's a grit? But here you go. It is amazingly delicious. Creamy, fantastic. Here, let's taste the shrimp. Wow, fantastic.
All right, so I decided on the sweet potato waffle. Then they have all these different flavored butters. This is the peach cobbler. I don't even know how to describe it. But the whole waffle is infused with sweet potato, which I love. And so it's got this nice extra kind of heartiness. That's delicious. So I made a mistake earlier. This is the special flavored butter. I got the peach cobbler butter. They have 4 or 5 different kinds, and put it on my waffle. That's the over the top. That's amazing. Get that. And they have house-made lemonade, and then you can have flavors. So I got lemonade, pineapple lemonade. Hit that with vodka, and you have a breakfast cocktail. That's delicious. All right, trying the grits. That's just melt in your mouth, yummy. So cheesy and smooth and cream. That's really good. No, there's no more. I'm getting more. That's good. I'm gonna try my waffle.
Yes. Ooh. So this is that sweet potato waffle, huh? Wow. There's so many flavors in a waffle. Who would have thought? That is so delicious. I don't eat waffles enough. I think I have to start adding it to my my repertoire, my palate's repertoire. Very, very good. Wonderful.
It was
Really
yet
was.
another delicious, fabulous breakfast.
And this was a real find. I don't know how, I think through social media it popped up and I said, oh, okay, haven't heard about this one. But they just opened in 2023.
Yeah, so they haven't been here that long, but
Right.
word's gotten out because it's
It's
busy.
an active place, and they're getting their liquor license, or at least their beer and wine license.
That's
next
coming
week.
in the next couple of weeks. And one of the partners, well, we found out the place also, this is the second one. There's one in LA on Centinela in Inglewood. So if you're watching from the LA area, you can have this deliciousness there as well.
And it's worth making the trip.
It is.
Get on that 405, because that's where you'll be going.
And one of the chef partners, he calls himself Chef Grubby. If you look on YouTube, you can find a lot of his content about great recipes, and you'll get an idea of the
Get to see
food
him
there as
cook,
well.
And I had the shrimp with grits, and the shrimp you could have 2 ways. I had it pan fried, but they also serve it battered and deep fried, which could have been a good option. I'm trying to be healthier.
We're trying to make a better
Yeah.
effort,
I
she
don't
says,
know.
with a giant waffle full of butter.
Oh,
That was so good.
good. That was amazing.
So lovely. So if you're visiting from out of town, this is just east on Flamingo, just a
Yeah.
little ways. Pretty easy to get straight shot to get
Maybe
down
5
here.
minutes from the strip.
Yeah, and we're close to UNLV, so
Yep.
if you're a student, if you're working UNLV, this is easy to get to.
Or if you're a parent coming to graduation,
You could come here.
you could come here for breakfast.
What else?
I think that's it. It was so good.
Oh, our service was
Oh,
great.
Yes, Jordan.
Jordan was awesome,
Awesome.
and it was very fun to hear her story. She just moved here from Oregon, only been here a month, so
Right.
we like to talk to new people.
Yeah, so
And
that's wonderful.
Ari was our
Yes,
second
who
server,
filled
so
in when
very
Jordan
nice
had
service.
lunch. Yes.
yeah, so it was great.
It was great. And we'd certainly recommend it, and
Mm-hmm.
we'd come here again. And on that note,
We'll see you next week.
see you next
Hope
week.
you had fun.